Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an IR remote control system which will enable you to control your home appliances using a remote control. As you can see in this demonstration, I'm currently controlling 3 appliances, that is 2 bulbs and a fan. You are not limited to controlling just 3 appliances. You can control as many appliances as you want, such as your television, your fridge, your AC. So stick to the end so you won't miss out on any part, and without further ado, let's get started. The components required to make this project: an Arduino Uno, a relay module, an IR remote controller, an IR receiver, a mini breadboard, 3 male-to-male jumper wires, female-to-male jumper wires, a USB cable, connectors, lamp holders, and bulbs, a socket, a circuit breaker, socket outlet, a fan, and some cables. So here is the circuit diagram we'll be using to make this project, and I'm going to leave the link in the video description. So right now, just follow along as we make the connections.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So this is the code which I've written for this project. I'm going to leave the link down in the video description. So after downloading and opening the code, we'll need to install this IR remote library. So you go to libraries and you search for irremote.h. So I already have this library installed, but if you don't have this library installed, go ahead and install it. So after installing the library, go to tools and set your board as Arduino Uno board. And then you go to tools again and you go to port and you select the port which is COM5. After doing that, you need to upload the code. Upload the code and open the serial monitor. And on your IR remote controller, you press the buttons which you want to use to control the devices. So copy these codes from the serial monitor and update them in the Arduino sketch, and you upload the code again. So that's it for this project, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. And if you face any difficulties, you can always get to me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.